Entrer, to enter. Envoyer, to send. Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. In this video, we are going to see a first list of ER verbs. But before we start, note that all the verbs will be found in their infinitive form. To conjugate them into the present tense, simply follow the rules seen previously. So let's start. Acheter, to buy. Aimer, to love. Ajouter, to add. Appeler, to call. Arrêter, to stop. Arriver, to arrive. Avancer, to move forward. Changer, to change. Chanter, to sing. Chercher, to search for or to look for. Commencer, to start. Compter, to count. Crier, to shout. Danser, to dance. Déjeuner, to have lunch. Dîner, to have dinner. Donner, to give. Écouter, to listen. Enlever, to remove. Entrer, to enter. Envoyer, to send. Essayer, to try or to try on. Espérer, to hope for. Expliquer, to explain. Garder, to keep. Habiter, to live. Jouer, to play. And laisser, to leave. Of course, more ER verbs can be found. Some ER verbs in this list have irregular spellings like acheter, appeler, avancer, changer, enlever, espérer, essayer, and envoyer. The irregularity for these verbs will be seen later on. Verbs can be followed by preposition to give details on how the action is happening. The following verbs in this list can be followed by the preposition à to mean to or at. Arriver à, commencer à, demander à, donner à, envoyer à, expliquer à, habiter à, and jouer à. And remember that if needed, à can be contracted with the articles to create o, à la, à l'apostrophe, r, o with the x. Let's see some examples. J'arrive au parc. I arrive at the park. Elle demande à Paul. She asks Paul. Nous jouons au foot. We play football. Tu expliques à la fille. You explain to the girl. Or, vous commencez à jouer au rugby. You start playing rugby. More verbs could use à in this list if needed. These are the main ones. Habiter can be followed by à plus a city, en plus a feminine country, au plus a masculine country, and o with the x plus a plural country. J'habite à Paris. I live in Paris. Tu habites en France. You live in France. Elle habite au Canada. She lives in Canada. Vous habitez aux Maldives. You live in the Maldives. Écouter is not followed by à in French. We do not listen to things or people. We listen things or people. J'écoute Paul. I listen Paul. In English, I listen to Paul. Some verbs will be followed by the preposition de to translate of, from, or about, like ajouter de, changer de, arriver de, essayer de, or jouer. And remember that if needed, de can be contracted with the definite articles to create du, de la, de l'apostrophe, or des. J'ajoute du sucre. I add sugar. Elle change de robe. She changes dress. Vous arrivez de Paris. You arrive from Paris. Or, tu joues de la guitare. You are playing the guitar. Other prepositions can be used after the verb seen depending on what you want to say, like compter sur or crier sur. Sur means on. Laisser means to leave, as in to not touch or to not take with you, or to leave things or people alone. Laisse Paul, leaves Paul alone. Tu laisses le livre à la maison. You leave the book at home. Espérer is often followed by an infinitive verb. J'espère aller en France en juillet. I hope to go to France in July. That's it for this first list of ER verbs. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. À bientôt!